I'm eating an early breakfast today. It's about 10 a.m. and there's beans, non-dairy yogurt, tomatoes, parsley. I think that's it. You'd be surprised how good it can be not to have highly seasoned food, but to actually, because you've straightened out your taste buds, you've stopped eating the high fat content, the salt, the sugar. When you calm down your taste buds, you can taste the flavors, the different and interesting flavors in each different food. Anyway, I thought I'd like to do something useful with all my real estate studies. I've been studying real estate for decades. I go look at the place. I call up the property appraiser's office. I ask neighbors. I do a thorough search online and, all the details. So far, I have not bought another property since I bought this house, this fixer-upper, in 2014. So I just can't find the perfect place that is so beneficial to me like this place is. So I figured when I find something interesting online, which is frequent, but I know it's not for me, why don't I share it online? Maybe somebody listening to this would like it. So there's two very interesting ones I've found during the last 10 days. Fascinating. I mean, I'd love them, but they're not right for me. One of them is a laundry room, not a laundromat, a laundry room in a condominium complex, very small, no door, not allowed to live in it, and they're selling it for a very cheap price. I'm planning to put the link below my video. So I'm thinking somebody maybe lives near there, and it would be a nice part-time job to just go over there every week and collect the money you make, because it has the mechanism on the washer and dryer. Now you put your quarters in. I don't know how much is laundry these days. $3, $2, who knows? Anyway, or it also says in the description that you could try to convert the zoning and the legalities of this little laundry room so that you can live there. But they're not offering any guarantees. They just want to sell that laundry room. I don't know why. Maybe they put washers and dryers in all the condos. The second one is a townhouse, and this is in the area I wish I could live in South Florida. And usually townhomes, they're not very interesting to me to look at. They're just so plain. But this one, it's so artistic, so different, and of course you get downstairs and upstairs. So your little fenced-in patio in the back is private. You don't have somebody, over your head looking down at you. Now, the problem for me with a townhome, I love them, but I don't know, they make me nervous, and I think they would curtail my freedom. If I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and want to make myself a blender drink, will they hear that motor through the walls? If I want to listen to an educational YouTube video at the 4 a.m., are they going to hear that through the walls? If they're smoking, will I smell it in my condominium? If they start a fire, will it spread rapidly through the roof into my place? Anyway, I do worry a lot. Plus, I've been reading the news that there are various two-story condominiums, just 2 stories, and everyone has been ordered to get out because of unsafe conditions. Engineers have checked it out. So can you imagine? I mean, if I'm in a house like this and there's a problem, if I want to fix it or hire someone to fix it the very same day I can do it, nobody's going to stop me. I don't have to wait for anyone's approval. So these are my worries. But when I do find something good, I would like to start sharing it. Maybe it could be somebody's dream. So let me eat my breakfast, and I'll try to upload this and put the links below.